2 minutes lang guys. Start. Timer start. Okay, pasok. Sige, sir. Okay, ingat. Game. Running time. AJ's team.
Pasok. Kulang pa ba? Pasok.
Ganun mo muna. Nag-hold kasi sila AJ kakalatay. The rest po, kindly clear. Then yung may balance, kindly settle na lang. Then next game, Saturday, 8 p.m. Thank you for playing with us. Ganun muna, maglilikit na ako eh. Yung mag-claim na ng water. Ay, dalawa kayo? Apo. Sige. Nice game. Nice game. Sir ka sa akin.
Ay, ano naman kami?
Ay,
Ingat.
Next game. Ingat kayo ha.
Baga.
Oy, kulang pa. Sali ba yung gusto?
Daan na.
Sali. Dalawa pa. Pasok. Dali tayong oras.
Ayan, kuya, pasok mo na. Pasok mo na kuya. Kulang dalawa. Ay, isa
Pasok. Dali. Isa na lang. Pasok. Okay, pasok. Isa pa. Okay, pasok. Game. Okay na. Okay na, buo na. Okay. Ay, sige. Sige, nga. Paano? Sige.
Basic layup na lang eh. Natapilok po. Ano yun, natapakan? Natapakan yung body. Ha?
Pause ka lang niya, pre.
Okay na talaga.
Bawi nga lang next game, ha? Ito na yung bababag.
Sabado?
Game mo na yung
Yeah. Thank you po.
ingat pa rin.
Salamat.
Naka-feed ka naman na, di ba?
Apa.
Thank you, kuya. Ayun nga. Six minutes and 45 seconds remaining. All right.
Ay, ka.
4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Easy. That's good. Score 10-5, favor door side. Basket 2 points, 12-5. 12-5. That's good.
Bobo! Bobo ka!
Basket 2 points, 12-7. Idor. So good. Last 4 minutes. Once again, thank you for playing with us. Next game is Saturday. We're gonna end up at 8 p.m. So let's escort you to the next court user. Let's keep Uncle Drew clean as you go. Thank you. Thank you for playing with us. Good night. Once again, we're gonna end at 8 p.m. on time. We're gonna end the rest of this on schedule.
4 plus
3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Time check 7:55. 5 minutes before the end of our reservation here at Uncle Drew Sports Center, Dasmariñas, Cavite, the Philippines. Alright. Basket 2 points, 13-4 in favor of the wall side. Basket 2 points, 16-13. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Basket 2 points, 16-15 favor still on the backside. No good from Denmark. Alright. Basket, that's 3 points. Denmark. Varion. No good. Alright. 2 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Time check. It's 7:56 in the evening here at Uncle Drew Sports Center. Thank you. Have a good weather tonight. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. No good. Basket's 2 points. Last 2 minutes. So once again, to our players who are done, kindly clean as you go. Double check your things. Thank you for playing with us. Next game is on Saturday, 8 p.m. Same place, Uncle Drew Sports Center. 16 to the score. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time check 7:57 p.m. No good. It's 32. No good. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Time check 7:57 p.m. Basket 2 points, 16-24.
Basket, 2 points. 18-26. Basket.
Court. And then, di pa lang score. Yung 3 points. Nice. Time check, 7:58.
Last 45 seconds.
So good.
Twenty 29 score. Last 30 seconds. Basket. 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Fifteen, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time check, 7:59 p.m. Let's all clear the venue. Final score 22-31 in favor of the door side.